Hello, this is Ryan Chapman with Fix Your Phone. In this video, we're going to be talking about going from business card to your contact and their phone. And so this is a cool little strategy. Again, this came from our friend Steve Anderson on the Facebook Fix Your Funnel Facebook group. So if you haven't been in that group, I recommend you go in there because this is where you get little tidbits like this. So the way that this strategy goes is you use the Snap app from Infusionsoft to take a picture of the business card you received from an associate or somebody at a conference or what have you. Which you apply a tag, initiates a contact number bot. If we verify that there's a mobile number, then it sends out an MMS with your V card on it. And when they receive it, they can save that to their phone. And now every time you call, your mug and your contact information is going to show up on their phone so that they will know who's calling them or who's texting them, which is really helpful for engagement. So this all starts by first using the Snap app. If you haven't already downloaded it, look it up in your local app store, get the Snap app. I'm not sure if they have it for Android, I'm pretty sure, but I know they have it for iOS because I use it there. And you basically take a picture of a card and then it's going to look like this. It's going to show the card and then all the contact information they pulled off of it, so you can kind of verify that things look right. And once you've done that, then you have the option to hit add tags. In this case, I use a tag called send Ryan's V card, and then that's where we're going to get into Infusionsoft. Okay, so we start with the Snap tag that you saw in the previous screenshot that gets applied here. And then we go into the check number bot. In the check number bot, we have a few settings here. We're going to indicate where field we want the mobile to go into in the landline. Any additional phone fields will fill in the other fields that are available. Then the country, so we need to make sure that the country's set when we have that come through. Because that's how we are able to verify that the number's formatted correctly and all the things that the check number bot does. And then we have the mobile tag and then the landline tag. So if a mobile phone is found, that tag ID or the tag that represents this tag ID gets applied, and then same thing for a landline. And we're going to be in particular concerned about the mobile field because that's all we're looking for. So that's this tag right here. So when this tag is applied by the check number bot, then we send out the V card, which is a simple post. It includes, in my case, I'm merging in the first name. I use phone 5 to send the message out, so this is what my post looks like. And then inside of Fix Your Funnel, we have set up the post, and so you can see what that looks like. We'll go into it. So this is going to be coming from our main number. We have attached the V card, and I have just their first name merged in. Great meeting you. Here's my V card. Let's stay in touch. Call or text me anytime. And I got my name and the business name in there. Before I go any further, just want to make a quick comment on V cards. You can go online and search for a V card creator. A lot of systems that have contact books, like your PC or your Mac, will also allow you to export a V card. Now, depending on the system, they may or may not include the image. I think the image is fairly critical. So if you'll text card to 760-621-8199, I'll just send you straight away a link that you can go to that is a V card editor that I used that included an image in the actual V card. Hopefully that will be helpful for you. So that's the basic setup. You can see it's pretty simple. It's just Snap to sending out your V card. Then once they've got that installed on their phone, your image is going to show up there whenever you call or text, which is really cool because it increases engagement, because frequently people screen their calls. So if they want to talk to you, they're going to be answering the phone now because they're going to know who's actually calling or texting them. And you can have multiple phone numbers in there, so you can have multiple numbers for your business. Then you can put those in there and it doesn't matter which one is calling them, it's all going to show up. So this is a really cool strategy. Shout out to Steve Anderson for coming up with it, and hope that you enjoy this as you use Fix Your Funnel to increase your business's profitability.